Hi, I'm Kirby with Augustine e-Bike. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe below. And again, thanks so much for watching our videos. Hi, Joe. We installed your motor and connected the controller, connected the SW900 LCD onboard computer, which I have a video about if you ever need to learn all the functions, and the 48-volt battery. Today I'm going to take the bike out for a 10-mile test run to see how it performs on hills, in traffic, and a variety of other conditions. I just want to make sure that all the working parts are in order. Your tires are brand new, but by the time you get the bike next week, you'll have 10 miles of California dirt on them. Great ride. The bike is fast, responsive, has great front suspension, and a real joy to ride.